Thumbnail! What is going on, guys? Meta Michael here at Riding for Earth. I'm here in Sedona, Arizona, where I will be exploring, filming, and hiking every single day for a week straight. So get absolutely ready, because you guys are in for a real treat.
Good morning, guys. Day number 2. I'm so excited to get out there. We're gonna go to some super iconic spots today. It is freezing here. It's about 7 a.m. It's like 39 degrees outside. I'm huddling by my furnace. It's so warm. Oh my God.
So if you've ever been to Sedona, you know that it's a very crowded place. Today is Saturday, day 2 of my 7-day hiking vlog. I got here at about 7:30, 8 a.m. This is the Devil's Bridge parking lot. It was full. You have to know that, you know, during weekends, just most of the time in general, Sedona is a very busy place and it fills up very quickly. And so if you don't get in early enough, then man, you're not getting the good spot. You might not even be able to like hike that area. Wake up early, get out here early. I promise everything about an early hike is so beautiful. So tip of day 2, see you guys out there. Very sketchy spot right here, right in front of me, right there. People are jumping over me. It's crazy. Is Devil's Bridge. I hiked down to under it, got some awesome shots, which you probably saw already, and then climbed up to this sketchy area. I'm here in Sedona, Arizona! Woo! Yeah! Doing it for the YouTube! You guys say hi? Woo! Well, they were fun. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to follow me around North America in my 1992 Toyota Winnebago, then you gotta hit that subscribe button. Or you can hit my icon to the left here and it'll take you to my channel where you can subscribe there. You can check out some recent videos below. As always, guys, so much love. Safe travels out there. I'll see you tomorrow for day number 3.